In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho CRM, the comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's dive in by directing our attention to the homepage of your Zoho CRM. This page serves as a central hub where you can seamlessly manage and organize all your data. Beginning here ensures you have access to all the resources you require throughout the process. Once you've logged in and are comfortably situated on the home screen, keep an eye out for a highlighted option. This feature is designed to stand out from the rest of the interface, making it easy to spot. It's your first key to unlocking the data management features within Zoho CRM. After identifying the highlight, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will reveal a range of options related to data management in Zoho CRM. Our prime focus will be to locate the data administration section nestled within these choices. This part is crucial as it encompasses all the tools you need to efficiently manage your CRM data. As soon as you see it, click on it to proceed. Within the data administration section, you'll discover a vital function labeled Import. By selecting Import, you will gain access to a simple yet powerful feature that facilitates the transfer of data from various sources into Zoho CRM. Importing your data is a cornerstone activity that aids in the smooth integration of your dataset, ultimately streamlining your business operations. Here, you'll encounter a feature prompting you to easily import records from your existing CRM with our migration tools. This tool becomes especially beneficial if you are transitioning data from another CRM platform. Click on this prompt to unveil options allowing you to choose your current CRM system. This is where Zoho's adept migration tools come into play, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition of your data into the Zoho environment. And there you have it, an entire walkthrough of how to import data into Zoho CRM. Keep in mind that efficiently importing and managing data is key to maintaining the integrity and usability of your CRM system. By following these steps, you can ensure your transition into Zoho CRM is both efficient and effective. And of course, if you run into any challenges along the way, Zoho support resources and community forums are always available to provide troubleshooting tips and advice. Now, you're all set to transfer your data into Zoho CRM like a seasoned professional, ensuring your organizational information remains up to date and easily accessible. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide insightful. If so, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more comprehensive tutorials on optimizing your CRM experience.